आपका क्वेश्चन है प्रूव दैट अ डायमीटर ए बी ऑफ अ सर्कल बाइसेक्ट्स ऑल दोज chords which are parallel to the tangent at that point A. Now we will understand this. Suppose this is your circle and this point is your center. Now what he told, the diameter that is AB. So suppose this is your diameter, this is your A, this is your B and the center is your O now. ठीक है now फिर देखो इसने क्या बोला है, which are parallel to the tangent at the point A. So that means there is a tangent line also. So here it is a tangent line. So this is your L now. So what he told, all chords which are parallel to the tangent, that means parallel lines, parallel chord कहां पर होगा, यहां पर. So we can say like this is your chord now. Suppose this chord is your X and Y and this point is your Z now. ठीक है now. So what he has given, he has given L is parallel to XY. L is XY is parallel to the L. That means it forms a 90 degree here and here. Here also 90 degree, here also 90 degree. है ना? Now we can say that OZY, angle OZY is equal to angle OZX, that is equal to OAL. OAL, that is equal to 90 degree. ठीक है now. तो अब देखो आपको क्या करना है, जस्ट यू हैव टू कंस्ट्रक्ट इट लाइक दिस. नाउ वी हैव टू ट्रायंगल्स, दिस वन एंड दिस वन. तो दोनों ट्रायंगल क्या है हमारे, ट्रायंगल OXZ एंड ट्रायंगल OYZ. क्या करना है, कॉन्ग्रुएंट प्रूव करना है. तो कॉन्ग्रुएंट प्रूव कैसे, ऑलरेडी वी हैव डन वन एंगल, दिस इज योर ZO इज कॉमन, इज कॉमन. और क्या है आपका, OY एंड OX आर द रेडियस. OX is equal to OY, they are the radius. Now by we can say SS और ये A, SAS criterion, these two triangles are congruent. तो triangle OXZ is congruent to triangle OYZ. फिर क्या करना है आपको, you have to make this is equal to this by CPCT. Now we can say XZ is equal to ZY. If they are equal, that means क्या हो रहा है आपका, आपका जो diagonal है it bisects your chord which is parallel to the tangent, है ना. now तो सपोज आपने वो chord चेंज कर दिया like this is another chord, that is your C and D. अब आपको सेम करना है, फ्रॉम हियर लाइकवाइज आप करेंगे एंड यू विल सी दिस इज इक्वल टू दिस. ठीक है, यू कैन मेक द chord दिस साइड ऑल्सो and make the angle from here like this.